Hi, welcome to another episode of Money Horn. Today, I would like to show you a brand new app that pays you $471 in free PayPal money. Yes, this is true, but you have to be active for that and follow my exact instruction step by step. But before that, this is Dash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, here I'm going to show you an app. It's a brand new app that's going to uh, pay you like $471 or more or less. The more you work, you can get more money, but if you do not work, you can get less money. So I'm going before that, before I show you the app, I'm going to show you the method, the steps you have to follow exactly. So for that, before I show you the app, you have to find a viral niche or viral topics that people are going to love around the world. You do not need to worry about any countries or peoples or any geographical area. You have to pick a topic that people's going to love to watch, and for that you have to go to Google, and for instance you can search for latest, you can just click and see that it shows some latest topics about recent activities, recent news, recent games, sports, in media arena, in actor actresses, viral news. Everything is just viral, uh, so people going to get to know that people are really interested to know these type of topics. So my suggestion is go over to Google, search for any viral topics that are going on right now in the world. So to get a little heads up, you can go to trends.google.com, and here you can see that Google already showed you the topics that are popular in around the world. And if it's a country specific search, you can search it by here. It's showing you the United States result, but you can search for any country or region here. But more or less some topics you know better that works worldwide. People are going to love around the world no matter what. Like Tokyo Olympics 2020 right now, it's a very viral topic. You can target an actor, actress, singer, and many sports event like La Liga right now. It's going on La Liga, and with Messi, it's missing Messi for the first time in La Liga. So this is a viral topic. People want to see this type of topics, and that is what you have to pick and work on it. This is the step one. You can more specifically, you can go to the daily search trends here, and you can see real-time search trends also here like this. And if you just follow the news, follow the world's uh, every news and stories, you can find that you can find many great viral topics right now that people are going to love to watch. Like here, this is showing some great sports events, some actresses, some media news, as well as this is a sports news, and so on. The list goes on and on. You just have to pick a keyword or news that is viral right now that people are love to watch. Okay, so let's pick up this topic of La Liga, and I'm going to select it for this video purpose. So now I'm going to show you the app that is going to pay you for people for this video views for these views through that topic, and that is exe.io. exe.io. This is a shortened URL service, as it is. They work like already. They just shorten long URL links that are not easy to understand, are not easy to remember. They make it shorter so that people can easily remember it, browse it, and happy to go through it. So all you have to do is pick a viral topic. You do not need to create any content. You do not need to make any videos. You do not need to write blog posts. You do not need to do anything. You just have to search for a viral topic that is viral right now. People are interested to watch, and pick that link and go over to exe.io and paste the URL here and shorten the URL. You will get a shortened URL. Then you have to work on the step 3. So this is the step 2. If you are interested to their earning opportunities, I'm going to show you right now that people are getting paid from these sites. And I just said that 471. Just see that these guys just withdraw $471 in PayPal, and all there are many people making much more dollar, or much less dollar. You can see people are making $147, people are making like $55, and so on. The more you work, more you will get paid, and the payout rate for exe.io is also very lucrative, very interesting. So if you can get 1000 views from top tier countries like Canada, they are going to pay the most. This is $14 for 1000 views. And obviously UK, Australia, Belgium, United States, all of those countries, you can they for 1000 views, exe.io will going to pay from $12 to $13. So in around 14 to 12 to $14 per thousand views. That is really a handsome payment for your work. This is a free work. You can just start free. Then I'm going to show you some great methods by which you can skyrocket the earning opportunities. So let's move on to the shortened URL part. So let's pick an URL like this from here. If I click on this link and paste it here in exe.io and click shorten, the link going to be shortened. Okay, you have to get an account here first to get it working. Then you're going to get a shortened URL. You are not going to get paid without any account, so you have to sign up there, and then you can shorten an URL there, and you will get a short URL from them. Then you can just copy that URL and promote that URL to people, by which people can know your topics and go through your link, so you get money for that. The first page, I'm going to show you a website that is called Herculist.com. This is Herculist.com. In this website, this is also a paid option there, but you can use their free option as well, and free option is already great to start, but this is not going to give you much money. But for a beginning to this journey, you can start free with them. This is Hercules.com. They have an email list database. This is a huge list they have, and all you have to do is go into their sign up page and create an account using your first name, last name, and some easy questions to answer, and pick a username that is very interesting to people, that may be like viral news, viral sports events like that, and give a password, and give two email on here. Please, my suggestion is, for their subscribe email, use an email that is new, or that is not your main email, because people are going to send you emails to that subscribe email of you. So you are going to get, when you complete your registration, you're going to get thousands of emails there that may be interested, that you interested to watch or see. This is the way you are also going to send emails to other people's emails, so they are going to watch it as well. This is a email sharing site, and people going to love this type of concept, and you are going to get many more traffic than usually you get from other methods. So you use your I recommend a new email account for this, for subscribe email, and pay and give a main email, what that email you use regularly, in the section below here, and then complete the captcha. Click the create account button to sign up with Hercules. Then when you log into Hercules, you will going to get their email list. But for that, if you are a free user, if I go to their about page, they are going to show that they are showing that they have gold, pro, and free membership options. And if you are a free member, they are going to allow you to advertise 1000 random Hercules members daily at no cost. So if you starting free for now, you can promote to 1000 peoples daily for as a free member here. So if you want to upgrade, then you can upgrade to pro or gold member, so that you can promote to more peoples of their email database. So for 1000 people daily, this is already awesome. If you like get 1000 views daily, or half, like 500 views, is still you're going to get $7, so $14 in 2 days. And but I am going to as I told you, if you pick a really viral topics like this, then those 1000 peoples, most of those 1000 people will go through your link to see that topics of yours. So you can expect to earn a little but good amount of money as a free initiative. This is really important for free, because this is going to build up the base for the next way I am going to show you, that going to skyrocket your earning opportunity. But that is not free. You have to pay some money, but you won't believe the result it gets. So let's move on. If you are like promoting free 1000 members, and you're getting like $10 to $20, then get that money to your PayPal and move on to the next stage of paid traffic. That is, I'm going to show you the next site you may know already, but this is Shoutcart.com. Shoutcart.com is a influencer database website where influencers around the world, top influencers around the world, those are advertise themselves here so that they can promote people's product, people's offers, people's service to their followers and earn some handsome money, as well as the people who are promoting also get benefited from them. So this is a great platform for everyone to get profit and make money online very fast. But this is a paid method. This is not a free method. So all you have to do, if you go to Shoutcard, you can see is by scrolling down here, you can see there are lots of influencers with lots of thousands of followers. Like here, this looks like a cat follower, and and this influencer have 537,000 followers, and he is asking just for $10 to promote your link to them. And this is really awesome. Another influencer, 242,000 followers, just asking $10 to promote your link, promote your product, promote your offer, which is really great. So all you have to do, start free in Hercules, promote to 1,000 people daily and get some payment, and then invest that 10 to $20 to shoutcard.com, and you are just get the money rolling fast. It's the first way. When you pay just like $10, if you promote, if that influencer show your URL to like 242,000 followers, you what we expect, just if just 5,000 peoples of those 240,000 peoples, if just 5,000 people just watch your link, then you are going to get paid 5 times of $14. This is a really great site to work with, and it will only take couple of minutes to work, and the earning will skyrocket. So this is a great earning opportunity to make hundred or thousands dollar per month. You can easily make, if 5,000 followers going to go through your link, there you are going to get paid 60 to $70 from exe.io, which is just in a moment. It's not like a day. You can do it over and over again. You get paid $50. Just for instance, you get $50 by investing $10. You get $50 in exe.io, then reinvest some amount of money to higher influencers like this, $20, $25, then you get more followers, you get more money, then reinvest some more money to higher level, higher viral influencers, so that your money will grow day by day. This is not the end. This is the sky is the limit. So you have to work, you have to be active, and that is what it's all about. Be active, money will follow you. If you don't, if you let me know how you're feeling about this method in the comment below, and be active always. Remember to subscribe to my channel. So till then, in the next video, see you later. Thanks for watching.